Align the spring head and install the shade in the brackets. Use a drill with a 1/4-inch hex bit and adjust the drill clutch to a lower setting. The drill will engage smoothly when inserted at the correct angle. Ensure you are pushing up against the spring-loaded pin, otherwise you will hear a clicking noise. The weight bar will move up slightly when the spring is balanced. Push the grey button to unlock the spring. The lock button should remain fully retracted. The spring tension can be adjusted at any time, and the lock does not need to be engaged. To remove the blind, first lock the spring. The tube may need a 1/4 turn to engage the lock.